Bye. Bye. Tissue. Destroy vibes. Change this. Not good. Thank you. Yeah, bring.
When I left, you can still drop it for try.
Yeah, quantity in this way is like two portions.
Next time I can more small, I will fight them.
But you know the funny thing, if you order in takeout, it's smaller. Because their takeout, the size of takeout they have is not as big as this portion. So if you order in takeout, it's smaller. Quantity reduces.
Advantages of Monte Carlo simulation.
This class has
Yeah.
It's time to go home. It's time to go home. It's time to go home.
Sir, attendance.
Start time, okay. Okay, it's calling attendance. It's time to go away. Come on, don't tire. Breeze is cool, but I don't want the rain. No rain. Oh, the sky is bright today. There's sun. I just hope that it doesn't rain later because it's been raining every day now. This week, every day. This is the outfit for today. I'm wearing these jeggings from Flipkart. Yeah, I got these jeggings from Flipkart. Can you see it? Yeah, it's blue. And this top all the way from Nigeria. So okay, and my face looking all tired, but I have to go to school. Yeah, so let's go to school. Thankfully today is Thursday and there is no school tomorrow. There's a public holiday tomorrow. So let's get this work going. Just going to look for what to watch on YouTube so that I can take out these braids as quick as possible. I'm watching King of Hearts again. I can't believe I started it from the beginning.
I thought that this would give you clarity.
It's been 4 hours plus later. Please remind me not to braid my hair again. Look at my afro. It's been almost a year since I relaxed my hair last. And so far, I think I've been managing it well. Even though I have to look for another style to do. So I'll go to the salon tomorrow to try and do something to the hair so that I don't keep on combing all the time. So when I get to the salon tomorrow, I'll decide what to do to the hair. But for now, I just want to go and shower and call it a night. Yo, this is a full-time job, man. Taking out braids is a full-time job.